Happy Sunday morning, everyone. We are actually going to stay at camp today. Yay! We have things we have to get done, and we don't have time when we're running around every day. So Wayne is over doing laundry for me, and I'm about to cook a nice big breakfast. The birds are chirping, and it's about 60 degrees out here. It is beautiful. Happy Sunday. Have a good day worshiping you, the Lord, and I'll get back later. Oh, pardon the face and the hair. When I'm staying here, I don't want to have to do all that. So this is me. This is real. This is what Wayne gets to see in the morning. So anyway, no makeup, no hair. It is what it is. Bye. I want to give you a pointer. If you like cooking on the griddle when you're camping, this is a must-have. I put everything in that. I prepare all my stuff, and then I can use that to bring it out to the grill, and it's collapsible, so I just can store it up under my sink. But I love that thing. It's awesome. It holds a lot of stuff. So, and then these white rags, they're awesome. You can just have a big box sitting right by you. And I like to, I'm putting my eggs on the griddle, so it's just easier that way. It keeps them all together. Here we go. I forgot to mention that this little collapsible tote is also has a lid with it. It's a Cuisinart, and I got it at Sam's. Another must-have when you're cooking outside or inside, it doesn't matter, are these aluminum pans that I get at Sam's, and I get a whole bunch of them. It doesn't cost that much, and I put foil in them so that when I get done I can just rinse it. I mean, just pull this off, throw it in the trash, and I don't have to wash a thing. It's wonderful, so I highly recommend that as well. I keep thinking of these things that I think you need when you're cooking outside. I love this foldable trash can. It is amazing. It has a lid you can zip up at night so the critters don't get in it. But it just folds up. You can put it in the basement and then get it out when you're ready to cook. I got my sausage going. All right, it's looking good. I know that's a lot of meat for 2 people, but I like to cook a 2-pound thing of sausage so that we can have leftovers for a couple of days, so we can just grab it and go as we head out. I'll have biscuits too, and we'll have leftovers, so we'll just do sausage and biscuits for the next couple of days. Anyway, I like to cook a lot of meat and get that done while I have the griddle on. All right, sausage is done. Now we're on to the bacon. I do a full bacon, eggs, biscuits, and sausage when we do a big breakfast while we're camping. It's my favorite thing. I love my breakfast. And I like to clean the griddle in between the meats because the sausage puts a lot of stuff on the griddle, so I like to clean it off a little bit before I put the bacon on, and then I'll clean it off before I put the eggs on. All right, I'm doing overkill this morning. I'm actually cooking some Earl Campbell hot links to go along with all my other meats. So we ought to be able to eat good for a few days. If you haven't tried them, you need to, because they are delicious. Hot links are done, and now I'm on to the eggs. And as you see, I keep it in the pan. I cleaned off the griddle before I started, so I don't have much cleanup now. Once it's over, I just have to put some oil on it to keep it from rusting. But anyway, I'll cook my eggs and we'll go have a big breakfast. Well, we finished our delicious breakfast, and as you see, I hardly have any dishes. Oh, there they are. Any dishes to do. I've got my office set up right here so I can edit videos, and it's Wayne's favorite golf weekend of the year. He is watching the Masters. So it's going to be a good day relaxing in the camper today.
That's right.